I often prepare my own soil for container gardening and plant seeds in it. I have been practicing this for quite some time, and before this I tried many different times to make soil for containers. Unfortunately, most of the time the results were disappointing. The seeds and plants that I planted in those containers did not survive and eventually got spoiled. Even though I made drainage holes at the bottom of the containers and used plastic with holes for water outlet, the problem still remained. Another issue I noticed was that insects, especially ants and small bugs, started appearing in the top layer of the soil. The soil would stay wet for too long, which I later realized was a major reason behind seed rot and poor plant health. Due to excess moisture and poor air circulation, the roots could not breathe properly, and as a result, the seeds failed to germinate, or the young plants died very early. Interestingly, the few seeds that were left, I planted them separately in bottles for seedling purposes. To my surprise, those seeds grew very well, and the plants looked healthy and strong. This made me think deeply about the problem, and that is when I understood that the main issue was not the seeds, but the drainage system of my containers. So I decided to work on improving the drainage and came up with a new idea, which I am now sharing with you. This time, I started by placing large stones at the bottom of the container. I did not use any plastic sheet underneath. Instead, I made sure that the bottom layer had plenty of big stones so that excess water could easily flow out and not stay trapped inside the soil. After creating the stone layer, I added a layer of hard soil above it. This layer helps in separating the stones from the upper soil while still allowing water to pass through. On top of this, I added the vegetable soil mix that I had prepared earlier, which is rich and suitable for plant growth. Once the soil setup was ready, I shifted the plants into these containers. The results were much better than before. The plants started adjusting well, their growth improved, and they looked healthier and stronger. This gave me a lot of confidence that my drainage method was working properly. Along with this, I have also prepared fresh soil using the same method, and in that soil, I am now planting garlic. At the moment, everything looks promising. I am carefully observing the growth and soil condition, and I will definitely share the final results with you in the coming days. Through this experience, I have learned that proper drainage plays a very important role in container gardening. Good drainage not only protects seeds from rotting, but also keeps the soil healthy and free from harmful insects. I hope my experience and this method will be helpful for others who face similar problems in container gardening.